Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can create folder in Windows 10. To create new folder, you can use a keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl, Shift and N at the same time. The other method you can use is just right click on empty space on your desktop, then New, and click Folder. Then you can rename your folder. And to create subfolder, you can also use keyboard shortcut, Ctrl, Shift and N, or right click on empty space, New, and Folder. That's how you can create folder in Windows 10. Thank you for watching.